Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Klaviyo SMS for high converting e-commerce offers. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Klaviyo SMS for high converting e-commerce offers, start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the account section in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. From there, click on SMS in the menu options. This will direct you to the SMS settings page. To begin SMS marketing, ensure you have a phone number verified for your account. Click on the Verify Phone Number button and enter your mobile number. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the designated field to verify your phone number. Once verified, you can now set up your SMS channel. Click on Create SMS Campaign to start building your first message. Choose the audience segment you want to target. Design your message by writing compelling content that highlights your e-commerce offers. Incorporate a clear call to action to encourage engagement. Utilize personalization tokens to make the message more relevant to each recipient. Preview your SMS to check for any errors or adjustments needed. Once you are satisfied, click on Schedule to determine when to send your campaign. Consider A/B testing different offers to see what resonates best with your audience. Monitor the campaign performance in the dashboard after sending. Track metrics like open rates and conversions to assess effectiveness. Adjust future SMS strategies based on analytics and customer feedback. By following these steps, you can efficiently enable Klaviyo SMS for your high-converting e-commerce offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.